Hi traders, this is live market 19 December 2022. So today in our WhatsApp tip service we have given Banknifty 43,200 call option today morning. So almost 3 targets has been done in the single trade itself. So almost 75 points has been done for this trade entry. And after in evening the same package we have given crude oil, it is 6,200. First trade has been met with 10 points profit, and the second trade again we have given for and trail till the market end. 3 targets has been met, almost 40 points done in the second trade. So totally 50 points done for crude oil and 75 points done for Banknifty. One of our automation client has been provided his feedback about the previous 1 month performance of his automation trade entry. He has implemented with Nifty 2 lot options and Banknifty 3 minute strategy with 1 lot options. So totally he has met with 18,400 profit just with 54,000 investment. So if you want to make like this profits consistently with WhatsApp tips and automation, you can join us right now.